Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use TikTok promote feature, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So what you're going to be doing over here, you're simply going to go ahead and open up your particular TikTok app from right over there. Once you're here in the home section, you're going to go ahead and tap on this option of profile at the bottom right corner. Now you're going to go to this option of TikTok Studio. Then from it, I'm simply going to go ahead and scroll a bit and then go to the more tools section. So once you're over here in the TikTok Studio, once you've enabled the promote section, you will be able to find either monetization section or a different list itself. Once you tapped on that, you will be able to check out the promotional requirements. Right, once you have accessed the promote tools from over there, you will be able to the promote tool will be listed in under the creator tools or the business suite. Right, once you have accessed that particular tool, you're gonna simply go ahead and access it simply from a TikTok video you want to promote itself. Once you have found the option from the video, simply gonna go ahead, tap promote, and you will see that particular right over there, and you will be earning, or you will be promoting that video likewise. So you just have to wait for a while for that tool to be available for you, and that is basically it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.